guys and dear students, welcome back again. Today 22nd August 2020, Saturday. Have a nice day to you all. In poem third, Keeping Quiet, composed by Pablo Neruda, I had told you the three extracts from this poem. Now the next fourth one, if we were not so single-minded, about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. For question number 1, what do we lose in our single-minded desire? Answer: in our single-minded desire, we keep our lives active, we lose sight of our true goals, and in doing so, we reach a stage when we have no leisure to either understand ourselves or our fellow human beings. Question number 2, this one is the most important question. What is the sadness that the poet talks about? Answer: the poet talks about the sadness which is the result of not understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Question number 3, how can huge silence dispel sadness? Answer: a huge silence can dispel sadness when we for once do nothing and introspect ourselves. Next, extract 5. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Question number 1. What lesson can the earth teach us? Answer: the earth teaches us how to survive on it. Question number 2. How does the poet interpret the inaction and action on the earth? Answer: the earth looks inactive in winter. It looks dead. But the fact is that such rest gives her time to start life afresh in a spring season. We should also have some rest to think better for tomorrow. Question number 3. What does poet ask us to do? Answer: the poet asks us to keep quiet for a moment, to introspect us and to plan for better tomorrow. These are the 5 extracts from this poem, and this one is the most important question. You should prepare this well. Now think it out. Textual short answer type questions from the poem. Question number 1. This one is the important question also. What will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? Answer: counting up to 12 and keeping still gives us a quiet moment. We can introspect ourselves in this moment. We can understand ourselves. We can plan for better tomorrow. Question number 2. This one is the most important question. Do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? Answer: no. The poet does not advocate total inactivity and death. Life is a continuous process. But we should find a moment of stillness to introspect ourselves. Total inactivity means death. He refuses to associate with death. Question number 3. What is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? In the extract, I have struck out also this question, the most important one. The sadness that the poet refers to is of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Question number 4. What symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? Answer. The poet invokes the symbol of earth that looks still from outside, but it has immense possibility of life within it. Now, dear students, note down these fourth and fifth extract based on question answers and also the textual short answer type questions from this poem in your fair notebook and prepare this all well for your exam. After that, attempt any four additional short answer type questions from the poem also. Nice meeting to you the next day. Have a good day. Thank you.